Next on our list for this F150, we're going to give it a little upgrade. We're going to put a smile on this old girl's face. We're going to change the grill out and put a good one on. Look at that. Good. That's a good grill. I guess you got to change a couple letters. But other than that, it's good. It's all good. We'll get started here shortly. There we go. Just changing it. You can see. Put the little screws in. To change the letters. So we're using a soft table here. It's got a soft top on it. Don't want to scratch up your Ford parts. They scratch easy, I guess. I'm just using a little drill. Nice and easy, and then you can hand tighten them with a regular screwdriver, because you know how powerful these things are. You'll end up stripping things out. So you can see I've already done the R. I'll go around and flip it up here so you can have a good look at it. It was good. It got worse. Look at that. Now it says Ford. But easy to do. Take the screws out. Put the new ones in. Here's the letters. Was this an Amazon thing, Eric, or? Bought it on Amazon. You can see the 4 bolts. Just trying to get at them. And they are, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but they're back in here. Way back in there. You got to get those 4 out to take the grill off. It was easier to change the exhaust on the truck than it is to change the grill for some reason. There's little ties and plastic things even behind the Ford logo. We've got all the 3 at the bottom. We got the 4 on the exterior, the 2 on each side. Didn't want to pull too hard on this grill. We want to save it. You'd almost think it's screwed on through the middle of the friggin' Ford emblem. Ford! She's a Ford. Now we pulled these covers off by the lights there, and you'll see there was some bolts in here. You can see that one down there. So you got to pull those out. You got to take the whole thing out. Take the bolts off the top. We're going to show you this one over there. We just took the little rubber plug out. You just pry it back easy and they'll just pop right out. Hard to be gentle with it, and then all of a sudden it'll just let go. There we go. Oh, it's down by your knee. One of the white pieces fell off. Don't lose any of the little clips. And you'll see that bolt right there. So yeah, I think it took less time to put the new exhaust on than it is to do the grill. Oh, it fell on the floor there. Got her. And we got to unplug these wires here. if you're wondering, there's a clip on there. You just got to put a little pressure on it and pull them apart. Some of them are harder than others. There we go. And just tuck them out of the way. And I think we got all the bolts now, do we? We got to just make sure the rubber is off on both sides. Oh, and yeah, it's just kind of sitting in there funny. Just pop that off out of the way. Okay. And this rubber here, those rubber little ears, okay. Kind of up and out. You just got to finesse it a little bit. Sometimes there's bits and pieces hanging on. Another one of them rubber clips. Can you see over there okay? I just want to make sure that they're... I might have to reach down in this one too. Yeah, you're gonna have to get the screwdriver on this one too. And the same on this side. And there we go. You sit it right on there. And now we just have to take out bolt there. We've already done the bottoms. And there. And then you can see that one there goes right to the Ford emblem. Holds it up in the middle. And that's the one that we were having trouble to get to. If it wasn't for that, we could have taken it off. And there she be. I would just knock those other two bolts out. Oh, I see what happened. See, they're on some kind of little washer there. Mm-hmm. And they just come slide out of that little thing there. So they were just kind of spinning in there. Oh, hell. Those will come off.
Put a pair of vice grips on them and do it from the other side, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna have to do is put a pair of vice grips on. I just don't understand.
Yeah.
Like, there must have been a plastic piece inside. There must be a plastic piece inside there that these thread into.
Hmm. We'll stop it here for a sec. We'll get those off. All four of them out. What we did is we just snapped the vice grips on the end of them there. And I see that the light is acting up here with the camera a little bit, but... And then we just unspun them that way. I'm not sure if there was some kind of plastic clip in the grill or what was going on there, but they were just floating in there. But now they're out and we're gonna move on to putting the new grill in. So we just laid it down on the bench and we're just tightening up the 4 bolts. Just snug. It is plastic, so you don't want to over tighten them and wreck anything. Just like that. And to finish them off, they are pretty long. You're going to need a deep 10mm socket. And then we'll get the other 2 and then we'll show you putting it in. There we go, we're just fitting it back in here now. Same way it came out. Should be good there to start putting the bolts in. Yep. And there we go. We got the lights on. That's what it looks like with the Ford Raptor style grille in the 2015 F150. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button and like us and all that kind of stuff. The videos will get better, I promise. Have a good day. And we're all finished. Another satisfied customer.